Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest from Beats, the Solo 4 headphones. Known for their sleek design and powerful sound, these promise to be a significant upgrade over their predecessor, the Solo 3. Let's start with design. The Beats Solo 4 maintains the iconic look we've come to expect, with a blend of matte plastic and metal accents. They're surprisingly lightweight at just over 7.5 ounces, making them easy to carry around. One of the standout features is their collapsible design, perfect for stashing in a bag or jacket pocket. However, some users might find the headband a bit tight after extended wear. Moving on to connectivity, the Solo 4 brings welcome upgrades. Say goodbye to micro USB. These headphones now sport a USB-C port, keeping them up to date with modern standards. They also include a 3.5mm headphone jack for high-res audio, great for those who prefer wired connections or in-flight entertainment systems. Pairing them is a breeze, whether you're an iOS or Android user, thanks to the Beats app. iPhone users get additional perks like audio sharing and Siri integration, enhancing the overall user experience. Now, let's talk about sound. The Solo 4 features an upgraded acoustic architecture aimed at delivering clearer, more balanced audio. Whether you're listening to music or making calls, the sound quality holds up well across different scenarios. Speaking of calls, the headphones excel here too. The built-in mic ensures your voice comes through crisp and clear, even in moderately noisy environments. Battery life is another strong suit. With up to 50 hours on a single charge, the Solo 4 outlasts many competitors in its class. Plus, a quick 10-minute charge via USB-C gives you an impressive 5 hours of playback, ideal for those on the move. So, should you consider the Beats Solo 4? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a blend of style, comfort, and long-lasting performance without breaking the bank. While they lack active noise cancellation, their overall value and quality make them a solid choice in the on-ear headphone category. That wraps up our review of the Beats Solo 4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.